As you read in the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you all the winning products for you to sell in January 2021 for Shopify Dropshipping. Before I get started on this video, I want to let everyone know that I have 5 openings for my DaVinci Mastermind group, meaning that I'm taking on 5 new students or 5 new Shopify dropshippers, whether you're a beginner, or intermediate, or expert, to come into my program, and I will personally coach you one-on-one on a weekly basis to help you scale up your Shopify store to, I'm assuming that you're watching this video, you're somewhere around making $1,000 a month upwards to around $10,000 a month. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you click on the link in the description of this video. It's also be pinned below in the comment section. So this is going to be the most free, easy way for you to find these winning products. All you have to do is go to Facebook, go to the search bar right here where you see I typed in 50% off. You're going to type that in on your screen. You want to click right here where it says most recent. Now you can go to date posted, though I wouldn't recommend it because it'll only show you, as you can see, you can only go far back to this month, which the recording of this video is December 28th, 2020. But these products, I can guarantee that I'm about to show you in this video, are definitely going to scale all the way up from January all the way, I say, up until March. So definitely stay tuned. But again, this free method, I'm not going to show you any app, software, website that you need to do. All you need to do is go to Facebook, type in 50% off, and you're able to find access to all these winning products. So with that, I concur. Let us begin the video. So following off that, I'm scrolling down. As you see, it's a lot of products that's still available from the Christmas sale. We're actually going to open up a few of them. So we're going to open up that one. See what else we can find. This looks interesting. And I'm also looking at the views here. So give or take, you want to find Facebook ads that have at least a minimum of 20,000 upwards to 100,000 views. That means 20,000 mean they're starting to scale up, mean the product is about to go viral. Over 100,000 views means that this product is already selling and it's a good time for you to enter the marketplace, given that you'll be able to outsell the competition, which I want to help you do in this video, of course. So now that I've opened my tabs, let's take a look at a few of these products and let's look at these websites. So here's the first product that I have for you. It's a portable mini plastic bag sealer. The description, the ad copy right here, that's not important. But what we want to see is the engagement. So as you can see, it says about 320 engagement, 41 comments. It looks like this product is just now about to take off. They started running ads for this December 18th. Like I said, the recording of this video, it is December 28th, 2020. So let's take a look at our competition's website and let's see how they're doing. Alright, so here I am on the competition website. This website is called miniplasticsealer.com. It's going to be good for SEO, but more importantly, they're selling this product for around $14.99. Obviously, you see that it says it ships from China. Does it ship anywhere else? It ships from China and Russia. So automatically off back, we know that they're sourcing this product from ALIEXPRESS. Let's take a look at their product page. They have a nice gift. As you know, I'm a big fan of having gifts on your product page to show the customer how the product is in use, paints a picture in their head, etc., etc. Everything looks solid. Only thing that they need, you see they had the instructions right there. Only thing they specifically need is some reviews, which I see they do not have. So if you want to go out and sell this product, that will give you the competitive advantage over this particular website. And also, if you can find a United States supplier who can ship this product for you, it'll put you miles ahead of this competitor. So that's the first product. Let us continue moving on with the next product that I have for you. Alright, so this is the second product that I have for you to sell for Shopify Dropshipping in January 2021. We have a cozy, calming dog bed. I know this right here is in the way, so try and scroll down. Let's take a look at this engagement. 181, 8 comments. They started running ads for this on December 12th. So they've been running ads for this for about 16 days. This product looked like it has potential. So let's take a look at our competition and find out some more information. All right, so here's the competition's website. This is called donutpaw.com. Interesting choice for a domain name. You can see it comes in multiple different colors as well as sizes. It seems like they are also sourcing this product from China, though I'm not 100% certain on that. So here we are on the description. As you see, I am a fan of gifts, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. So they're showing that it's also primarily for dogs, but it's also available for cats and kittens, as well as puppies. We have some pictures here of some customer reviews, it seems. They have features, more customer reviews, and again, they don't have any reviews. Wait, I spoke too soon. Hold on. So they do have reviews. So let us see how much traffic they're actually sending to their website. Now to do this, I'm going to be using a free Google Chrome extension. You're welcome to install that. It is called, let me find it right here. 1 second. Alright, so I found it. It's right here. It's called Similar Web. We're going to be able to see how much traffic is actually being sent to this. Oh, wow. As you see, they're not able to pull up sufficient data, so that means that you have a chance to outscale this competitor here if you do so choose to go about promoting this product for your Shopify store. So moving on, let's continue to the next product. All right, so this product is actually a product that I discussed in my November winning products to sell. This is a mini chainsaw. At first I was skeptical because I didn't know how Facebook will go about allowing you to promote this type of product on their platform, but it seems that this particular competitor is okay running with it. You see they're having a Black Friday sale. Obviously it's past Black Friday, but that doesn't mean that you can't continue on promoting things for Black Friday. Most people think they're just going to get a good deal in the long run. So you can see, looking at engagement, they got about 305 with 41 comments. So there is still room for us to come into the market and outbid our competition. So let's take a look at how they have their website structured. Alright, so here I am. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name of that shop, but here we are on the competitor's product page. You can see here that they're selling for about $90, 50% off today. Nice picture, as you see here, right here. This is what you want to focus on. The really highlights the benefits of the product. Without, so they have it for US and Canada, UK and Europe. It comes in two colors, green and black. Let's take a look at the gifts. They don't have any gifts, so that's your first competitive advantage right there. Not utilizing the product in motion. They have a lot of good pictures that show how to use the product, as well as instructions to go about using the product. The mini chainsaw specifically. Overall, it's solid. Right here, they have their customer guarantee, which is nice. Payment, Visa. Yet they lack any. Oh, nope, spoke too soon. They have 9 reviews, but you can easily go to AliExpress and import more than 9 reviews. But overall, this is solid. There is room for improvement, so that means that you have a chance of actually being successful with this product. So let us continue on moving forward with the next product that I have for you. Alright, so here's another product from my November's checklist of what for you to sell for Shopify Dropshipping. I'm on fire. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up button. So this is a levitating plant pot. This product is actually going viral. When I loaded this up, it has over 500,000 views. As you can see right here, the engagement, 738, 42 comments. The comments show that people are really loving this product, and it really does what it says it's going to do. As you see, it's not that big, but it's levitating in the air. So let's take a look at our competition's product page and see what we can find out. So here's our competition's website. I actually like that logo. That logo is fire as fuck. So you can see that they're doing private labeling. It looks like they're doing a very excellent job at branding. They're selling this product for $99.95, which is exactly how much I told you to price it for in my previous video. Have 2 colors. That looks like red and yellow. Again, they're selling to US, Australia, UK, and Europe. Let's take a look. They have a nice quantity break right here, by 2, by 3, by 4, so on and so on. Nice gift right there. Alright, here it goes. Some more gifts, some more gifts, some more gifts. This landing page, this product page is phenomenal. It's safe to say that they're making a good amount of sales just based off how this product page is structured. They put a lot of time, effort, and resource into making this the best that they possibly could. Plus, they're going along with the nice 26 reviews they have. Can't hurt anything as well. Safe to say that you can go out and market this. Come check this website out, get some inspiration, and start running your Facebook ads. So let us continue on to the last couple of products I have for you. So here's the next product that I have for you. If you've been dropshipping for at least the last 3-4 years, you're probably familiar with this product that I'm about to show you. So let's take a look right here. This is, I believe, a vegetable cleaver cutter, and the video editing on this is just phenomenal. I got a good idea where they got this video made from, but overall, let's take a look at the engagement. Over 15,000 reactions, 1.6K comments, safe to say that this product right here is making at least a minimum of 10 grand a month, possibly more. But let's take a look at a competition website. Let's see how they have this structured and organized. Here we are on the website. This is wallmassstore.com or wallmass.store. I almost thought this was Walmart for a second, but then my eyes adjusted and I seen that it's Walmart. So as you can see right off the back, they're getting your attention with a nice gift right here, showing you the product in action. Selling it for a nice $21.97. So continue to scroll down. This product page has definitely been tested, and it seems that it's proven to convert. Everything, as soon as you scroll down, just continues to add more beneficial reasons of why they should buy this product. Again, the only downside to this product page is they do not have any reviews, but everything else is solid. So even without the reviews, they have some social proof right here. Though I typically don't like to use those because they come across as scammy and untrustworthy, but it does show social proof that people have successfully purchased from the store. So let us wrap it up with the last product that I have for you to sound 2021. So, being that we're about to enter quarter 1 and give or take, it's probably snowing where you are. Some areas, some states, it's probably not. But we don't have to think about ourselves particularly. We have to think about our customers who do have to deal with the snow, which comes across this product right here. It's an ice scraper. Now, for those of you who have cars and drive in the winter, you know how annoying it can be to get the snow off the windshield and just drive during the snow. So this can definitely be a winning product to sell for at least the next 3 months, as long as the winter season lasts. The video ad is clean, shows the product in use, shows the before and after, how it's going to look before and how it's going to look after. So all that looks nice. Let's take a look at the product page. So here's the website, safetyfitgears.com. They actually selling this electric ice scraper for about $49.16. Give or take is just $50. Scroll down. Don't have any gifts right now that I can see. Though they are showcasing the product in use, so that is a nice addition. Up here you go. Here's some gifts, though I would put that more so towards the top. But overall, still solid. Continue scrolling down. Shipping, delivery. And yet again, this product has no reviews, but if you've seen from when we first started launching the Facebook ad or when we reviewed the Facebook ad, they didn't have that much engagement. So now is the perfect time for you to hop in here and get your share of the money, because it's going to snow. If it hasn't snowed in your area yet, we still got 3 more months of snow. So this perfect time opportunity for you to get your share of the pie. With that, I conclude this video. If you enjoyed it and you made it all the way to the end, I appreciate if you smash that thumbs up button for me so I can help get this video shown across the YouTube algorithm, so I can grow this channel and more people can see this video to help them be successful in Shopify dropshipping. And lastly, again, if you are interested in the opportunity to work with me one-on-one, all you have to do is click on the link in the description where it says I have room for 5 more students. You can apply. And if I feel that you're a good fit, I feel that we can work together. We can come up with a strategy, and I'll work for you on a weekly basis. But we'll cover more on that on the phone call. With that, this has been friend and mentor Mr. Da Vinci signing out. I wish you nothing but the best. I'll see you in the next video.